So, can't remember who was asking about the people. So, here's the people that I've got currently connected with my new DV4 Mini in the back, thanks to my lovely wife. It's basically just a dual booting box which runs Android and Windows, and in this case it's Windows 10. The main reason I got this is because I want to run the Wireless X off it, but I'm still setting it up and testing it. Obviously I can tell you more about it when I see you, but it seems to be working really well. I've just got my wee Bluetooth touchpad connected to it just now, and I'm just testing to make sure that I've got my Mini set up properly. So I'm just going to quickly do that just now. Just connected to the Echo MM6 RxJ test and access on Echo. MM6 RxJ test 1 2, back to you.
RxJ test and access on Echo, MM6 RxJ test 1 2, back to you.
So clearly it runs the Mini software very nicely. It's also a good way maybe of running it if you don't want to fork out on a Raspberry Pi and a touchscreen, because this is also a touchscreen device, as well as you can plug in your mouse and keyboard. It's only about £70 to £80 depending on what version you get. Obviously you can get a higher spec one if you want to run it as a media player or a streamer or some crazy stuff like that, but if you're just wanting to run some software in the background, it's a really good option if you don't want to go through all the hassle of having to program the Pi, or if you don't want all the other hassle of adding a touchscreen. If you want to run it headless or whatever, the Pi, then it's fine, it'll just connect to a channel. But if you're wanting to do stuff as well, I think the People is a very good option, easily available. I got this one off Amazon. But anyway, this is just a wee video to show you that what I've been up to. Cheers now, bye bye.